Now with the power of Magic Studio by Canva, you can automatically trim your videos and highlight the best parts of it with AI. Let me show you how. So let's begin by selecting the video that you want to use inside of Canva. As you can see, this is mine. I'm going to put it right over here in the design. As soon as that's done, you're going to see this little sister that says the amount of seconds of my video. In this case, it's 22.2 seconds. We're going to click right over there. As soon as you do, you're going to see two new features that were recently added for Magic Studio. These are called auto trim and highlights. Let's begin with auto trim. We're gonna click right here, and as you can see, my video went from 22.2 seconds to 11.2 seconds. This is the auto trim section by Canva. As you can see, it's all good. You click done, and then you can download it if that's what you want to. Then after that's done, let's go to the other new feature inside of Magic Studio, which is called highlights. As soon as you click on highlights, it's going to take a few seconds, and then it's going to divide your video in 3-4 different highlights depending on the length of your video. It all depends. So it not only highlights your video with different sections, but it also titles them so you can understand what are those highlights talking about. As you can see right here in my screen, they're all titled and they're cut, and they say the amount of seconds that each of the highlights are. After that's done and you review them and you like them, all you gotta do is select one step by step, okay? And then you're gonna click on this purple button that says Add Selection to Design. What you're gonna do is gonna click there, and now you can see them all together below the design, okay? I want to show you a new feature that was recently added to Magic Studio, which is called Enhance Voice. So we're gonna click on this first highlight. We're gonna go to the speaker right here, so you can see on my screen. And immediately below volume, it says Enhance Voice. We're gonna click on. It takes a few seconds, and immediately it enhances your voice. What does this mean? It's going to remove any background noise behind your video, behind your voice specifically. So let's play so you can see the difference from the previous video to this one.
Feeling you want to deliver as you're creating content for your dream client. Feeling you want to deliver as you're creating content for your dream client.
As you can see, it sounds different. It's getting there because it's new, but it sounds quite well. Now I want to show you other features that I want you to pay attention so you can refresh your mind. You have background remover, which is pretty cool. If you don't like the background of your video, all you gotta do is click on background remover. That's it. You have the filters, of course. Then you can go right over here, and then you can speed up your video, you can lower your video. It all depends on what you want to. You also can fade in your audio and fade out your audio. Those are all inside of Canva. These are previous features, but I wanted to refresh your mind with all that you can do. What does this mean? Canva is becoming a powerhouse of AI to edit your videos, to make it even better by using AI so you can save time as a business owner and as a creator. So you may be wondering, is Canva good enough compared to Premiere Pro or to CapCut? Well, step by step is creating new features, especially with AI. So let's check it out. Let's keep going, and it will keep making it happen to become better and better. I hope you enjoyed it. All the best.